In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress online store 2022. We'll start by opening WordPress and heading to the site's dashboard. This is your control center for creating a new site. From here, click the option that says, Describe your idea and let AI help you refine your site. This feature will speed things up by asking a few quick questions and building a starter design based on your answers. As the prompts appear, type your information into the highlighted fields and continue when you're ready. Provide a clear description of what you sell and who it's for. When you see a button or field highlighted, click it to move forward. Keep entering the details the assistant requests, like your business name and basic preferences. If an address check pops up saying the address isn't valid, open that message and make sure you include the full address, including city, state or region, and postal code. Accuracy here helps with mapping and delivery info later. After you correct it, proceed through the highlighted actions to keep the flow going. If WordPress offers a standardized version of your address, click Use Suggested Address. This ensures consistency across your site. When everything looks good, click Create My Site. WordPress will set up your pages and a clean starting design in a moment. Next, let's tune the look and feel. Click Customize Colors and pick a palette that fits your brand. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability. Then click Change Page Layout to try different structures. Clean, skimmable sections work best for store pages. Click Choose New Fonts and select a simple headline and body pair. Test a few options and keep legibility on mobile in mind. Now click Add New Page. Give this page a clear name, like Shop or About, depending on what you need first. Click into the highlighted area to start editing. Open the block tools and click Patterns. Patterns are pre-designed sections that help you lay out product features, testimonials, or hero headers quickly. Select Media to browse layouts that emphasize images. Swap in your own product photos or brand visuals. High-resolution, well-lit images make a big difference. Keep file sizes optimized for faster load times. When your updates are in place, click Save. Review your site on both desktop and mobile to make sure spacing and text look right. When you're ready to share it with the world, click Launch. Your online store starter site is live, and you can continue refining content, images, and sections anytime from the editor.